Hello, ma'am. I'm conducting a survey for the Neighborhood Crime Council. As you may know, the people of our city have recently been subject to a massive increase in hideously brutal mutilations. Now, I'd just like to ask you a few questions if you have the time.
Well, I really hate to mess up Oprah Winfrey, but this whole mutilation thing is pretty upsetting. So ask away.
Next, men who eat human waste and women who love to kiss them. Okie do. So, what do you think about murder?
Well, just last week, I found my husband's headless body nailed onto the wall with his open chest cavity stuffed with human skulls, so I have to say that it's bad.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Hello there. Say, I couldn't help but notice your house number. 777? That's funny. Isn't that like the number for heaven or something? Does this look like heaven? No, I guess not. Hey, I think there's something wrong with your doorbell. See? Did you want something? Oh, yes. I'm from the Neighborhood Crime Council. It's a survey on the recent wave of violent crimes. So I'd like to just ask. Get in here! 2 nights ago, I was taking a walk at night, and this little chihuahua started following me. God damn it, no! I ran, and I finally lost it and made it home, but it knew! It knew! What is this? Did the dog send you? No! I'm just doing a survey, honest! Oh. Okay. So, what'd you want to know? This really isn't that important. I should leave. Yes. Right now. So sorry to have disturbed, bothered you. Not at all. I guess I needed a break. I was just drawing a comic, Happy Noodle Boy. It's really popular with the homeless and sane. Now, ask me questions. Lots of questions. Please, sit. Alright. Uh, okay, so what are your views on this current surge of violent crimes and what can be done to protect the people? The violent crimes. Well, perfectly natural in a society whose advances are limited to its technology. The basic behavior of the modern human is hardly different from that of its primitive ancestors. The only noticeable changes are trends. Whether in a suit or a loincloth, people are ignorant, little thorns cutting into one another. They seem incapable of advancing beyond those violent tendencies which at one time were necessary for survival. As for protecting the people, well, that's a bit of a paradox, at least from what I know. I'm sure that if you searched into the lives of some of these victims, you would find out that they themselves were the cause of their very own deaths. In those cases, the so called victim at some earlier time played some part in the creation of their killer. I believe that the life was ended for the fact that it was wasted on something that would never evolve beyond the childish cruelty so many never cast off. Okay. Now, ask another one. Sure. So, what do you think of the idea that violence in television and other media have negative effect on kids and other impressionable minds? Ooh. Any pile of stunted growth unaware that entertainment is just that, and nothing more, deserves to doom themselves to some dark cell. Somewhere, for having been so stupid. Movies, books, TV, music, they're all just entertainment, not guidebooks for damning yourself. These are some fantastic answers. I'm sorry I was so nervous before, but don't worry now. I'd be glad to go on with the questions. I've got one. But it's pretty weird. You might remember that girl found behind the mall. Very strange. She was drained of all her blood. Police think that maybe the killer has some sort of vampirism thing. Like he drinks the he drinks his victim's blood. What do you think?
I never drink her blood! Never! But I needed it! You see? It changes color when it dries! It never stays! I have to keep the wall wet!
Ask a different question.
Happy New Year, boy!
A lovely day in the city park. Sun shining, the birds singing.
They're laughing at me, ma'am!
Hey, Daddy, here comes that crazy man that yells at everybody.
Yes, son, you is correct.
Hey, dog entity, rise up and bear your biscuit, filthy fags, at the oppressive leash-wielding demon. God damn, my navel itches!
Woof.
Ahem! Meow, 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 meow! Ka-chow! Cease your flatulent winds and hear my mind-numbing explosions of wicked noise! Cheese! I sense your envy of my neck, and I don't blame you! Drool over my magical powers! I have powers pinto beans can only dream of! Wanna see me pull a tapeworm out of my ass? Ah! I am Testicles, god of rash-covered scrotums, and stare deep into the stinking abyss of my individually wrapped slices. Holy wax! Check out my armpits! Hey, wait a damn minute. Wait just a polyp-picking minute. I see your game. You will not sink my Cheerio. I see what is transpiring here. You're all zombie thigh fat people, brought to animation by some evil force of forceful evil. Shit! That lipstick's the wrong color for you. Me? Oh, don't you see the toenails? Oh, so splendid. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Excuse me, Senor Noodle. But what's wrong with you? Why do you keep yelling like that?
Under such extreme heat, wear and degradation is inevitable. Parts break after overuse, and that is why toaster pastries will burst into flames if you don't keep an eye on them. You sacks of bladder waste! Make him die, Daddy.